This is a Chucky Beat production.
What is going on, guys? So right now about to head to the shop. One of my buddies, Marcus, he just bought a Corvette, has a 427 LS in it, so we gotta go have us a look at this thing and yeah, just come along, hang out. I gotta go check my water and stuff, but yeah, I'm about to roll out and have a look at this Corvette. I'll bring you guys along. Difference? Like, can you see it's a lot bigger than mine?
No. It's a 427 big block, but I think the block is...
The block's different. It's wider.
Are they?
Yeah,
Are
that's
they
like,
wider?
yeah, it's like 6 inches wider.
It doesn't look like it. It looks the same size.
Yeah, it's wider.
I'm not sure they're physically that much bigger.
It's only like 4 inches. You
Look.
know what I mean? Like the oil pan? Wow. So yeah, that's
Put
cool.
oil in here.
So it's like,
I would not
Have you
run
seen-
530 in it though.
have you seen Matt Field's car?
At least 1030.
Matt Field built one of these as a pro drift chassis this year. And his is dry sump, but his has got a big old sump. You know?
Oh, this tank goes all the way to the bottom. It's about that.
Yeah, that's how Matt Fields is. And then down there in the wheel well, you can take a little thing. It's got a shut-off valve and you open it. That's how he drains his
It's
oil.
got one on here too.
Does it? That's awesome. I gotta get some of these.
Oh yeah. Somebody put the 427 sticker on the hood in there for me, so I don't have to worry about doing that.
It's awesome though, man. Oh, that air filter's freaking sweet. It is a cool ass air filter, dude.
Quarter of a quart low, maybe. It's not anything.
Nothing to worry about. Just keep checking. I'll do that.
Marcus, see, they use those cup holders, put the hydro e-brake in there.
Oh, yeah.
Right in the cup holder, dude. That way they don't have to cut no interior.
Did you see this stuff? The claim the reason it's only that deep is because the torque tube is like right underneath.
Yeah,
like
it is.
directly underneath. That's why it's only like that
Yeah.
deep. You can just put your phone in there pretty much. Just about it.
But yeah, this is my favorite Corvette. This is the
You
model.
see, it says Z06 505 horsepower. You gotta take a picture of that. 505.
Oh, it does.
I think that badge right there is badass.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, this thing's sweet.
All right, so yeah, back in the back of the job. Actually, yeah, let me go down first.
I know, they're huge. This thing's a monster.
It's air actuated, right?
Really?
The rear bumper.
Yeah.
That air actuator changes it. He's got a remote on his keys. You push the button and it gets quiet. But it sounds really weird when it's in quiet mode.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't sound as good.
No.
I just run it in.
The brakes.
Yeah.
So our buddy Marcus just got a Corvette. great. It's cool, man. Now we got a bunch of V8s at the shop often.
I gotta watch my wheels, man.
I don't know how to do for your wheels.